Hi guys, it's JPFX again. So I'm super excited to bring you to this brand new video, guys. So you know the vibe. How do I look? How do I look, guys? How is my new? You know, I just decided to go and remove all this bed. It's just becoming too much. Everybody's going to be saying like, oh, you have a bed. Oh, you are still a kid. You are still a this. You are still a that. I'm tired of it now. How do I look? I think I look a bit more like Ashake. So back to what I'm saying, guys. So I'm excited to bring you to this brand new video of I'm just going to go quick into the analysis I've predicted with the top down analysis. A big shout out to my mentor. So, it has been a while. There is a particular time you get in forest. You just need to celebrate it or just be happy about what is going on. Alright. So I have been making my research, jumping from strategy to strategy, doing this and doing that, all this stuff and that stuff, trying to find the right way to trade the forex market. But finally, I've come to the right bus stop. All right, so I'm here to break it down to you guys how I predicted this market analysis, how I did this market analysis, and it turns out to be right 9 out of 10 times. All right, so first of all, don't forget smash that subscribe button, smash it, bro. Smash that, keep liking, keep commenting. I'll be dropping videos back to back to you guys so that we can keep on growing this account, right? And keep on subscribing, right? I'll be making videos if I have time, I'll be making videos. But if I don't have time, I'll continue with what I'm doing. Alright, so I just turn on to my charts, right? Then I was not trading this particular pair USDCAD. Alright, so I wasn't trading USDCAD, but I predicted USDCAD. I broke it down segment to segment, bro. Like, all you just need is top-down analysis. Alright, I know that it is not fast-paced. It will not pay you sharp. You will not be trading every time making money. But guys, less is more. Just remember, less is more. Alright, so all you just need is top-down analysis. Alright, so I predicted USDCAD that it was going to drop to downside. Alright, so when I turned to, I wasn't trading USDCAD, but I suddenly came and I just I added it to my watch list. Sorry guys, pardon me for my English, I don't care. Alright, so I checked and I saw that USDCAD was, so I did my top down analysis, break from the lows to the high, went to the weekly time frame to break what is going on. Is the market heading or is it, draw my trend line, breakout and everything. And what happened? I predicted this market was going to drop, and exactly as I predicted, the news in the forex.com industry just came the same with my own analysis, bro. Like, I'm super excited because why? I'm now in a stage whereby it is hard to read this stage. I didn't pay anything. I just watch. I was just trusting mentor who is Dapo Willis. Alright, maybe shout out to him because I was looking up to him. Why was I looking up to this guy? Oh, this man, sorry. This man, he is so different. He doesn't bring, just imagine somebody open a forex mastery course of just $99 only, while others have $400 of trading and all these things. But this guy is so realistic. You don't see him fancy everything. Guys, let me tell you one secret about trading. Alright, when you want to go for a mentor, I'm not saying that all your mentors should not be flashy, but for me, if you want to change your life, just look for the mentor that is just so real, just straightforward, no any corner all this. This guy said that he predict 2,000 pips into the future, not 100 or 20 pips into the 2,000, 1,000 pips into the future, and it came to reality. All right, so now I have predicted a massive drop of USDCAD, and also it aligns with the news. Forex.com, just imagine Forex.com, the whole Forex.com. guys, something has changed. All right, but it's still good because now it's just looking for trading opportunities. All right, my own way, my strategy. That is just how I do it. I'm not going to share my strategy to you guys. All right, so but I'll just keep it simple. How you can also find a trading opportunity with that style. All right, so when the market broke the trend line, the market has been trending for I think 2022, right, or 2023 up to today. But when it went to the major level, that is when it formed a double top. So so the weekly time frame confirmed this double top. That is a very strong reversal pattern. All right, at that level. So it formed a double top, broke the trend line and retested it and was heading. But the forex.com is like showing me that it is going to retrace back, like it's going to retrace back and retest that trend line again, because the retest that I got from the trend line, it wasn't so it wasn't that it was just a minor retracement. It retraced a little bit and came down on the lower time frame, but I wasn't too interested in trading like that because that retracement was so tiny in the lower time frame. It just retraced a little bit, but according to what they said, I don't use indicators. I'm a price action trader, so I don't use indicators. I just follow the real thing. You see me. The only indicator that I also use is only moving average, so that I can know whether the market is trending or it has broken or it have all these things and that. All right. So according to what the forecast or what they have forecasted in USD is, it is going to retrace back because it's oversold in the RSI, relative strength index. It is oversold. All right, so it's looking for a retracement back. When it retraces back, so it's going to drop. You are going to drop my counter trend line and keep selling, massive selling. All right, but not too much of excitement, because there is a reason whereby when you are excited about the forex, can disappoint you, but there's no problem. We are just right now out of 10. All right, if I am a position trader, I'll just sell and leave it, but no, I'll not go against my strategy. All right, so that is just it. I'm going to show you the charts of all the things. I don't like talking too much. I'll just show you the charts of what I'm talking about so that you guys can follow along. All right, if you are trading a pair that is so tricky, that is so stocky, or something that is giving you tough time, just ride with me USD CAD. You're going to make a lot of money, guys. Just find the trading opportunity, find your analysis, bring it on, come in and just keep trading. All right, now the market is trending, is your friend. When the market is ranging, it's not your friend. You keep losing money back to back, but it is still good, because when you have that risk management plan and you are disciplined, you can get there. All right, so let me tell you guys to the chat. No too much short. Let's go to the chat. So guys, you know the vibe. Subscribe this channel. All right, just subscribe. Let's move on to the chat. I'm just so excited and I'm so confident. There's a particular way you come in the forex market. You have been doing this, trying to crack this code, but finally you can predict an analysis that aligns with bigger banks, bigger hedge funds. Bro, your life has changed. All right, so let's just move into the chat and know what is going on. So let's move on, guys. Alright guys, welcome to my screen. So as you can see what is currently happening right now in USD you can see that there was a massive sell-off of this level. That is just the past. Let's forget about the past. So it has broken and it has retested, and we're heading all the way to the upside. So now we have come here. Here we are having a range according to the market monthly time frame. This is a nasty range here, up and down, but sure. Let me break it down to you guys now. You can see. Let's move to the weekly time frame. So I came at this level. I think it's like I should break it down a bit by bit, but that will be another time because I don't have time to clean all of this thing and start but as you can see from the first thing that happened here, according to this analysis, so you can see that this market, when it came to this level, it break above and retested this and turned to support. So now this was where our entry was here, and we exited here, but this is just backtesting and this and that video. So you can see it moved in a trend, broke out and retested this level again and came here. So this is all this is showing you here is what is going to happen in the future, and they also repeated themselves. So now you can see this level now that is support, it literally turned to resistance at this level. If you notice, look at this level, this is also what turned to resistance. So now the market came here. I have been seeing all of these things. The first time I just opened my chart and I saw all of this analysis. So I draw my trend line. I saw how it broke and it retested this level. But what happened? The retest was so tiny for this market to continue dropping to the downside here. What happened here was that this market came here dropping, but you can still make some pips here. You can still make, this is like, I think this is like a thousand and something pips. So right now the market came here. According to the relative strength index, it showed that the market was oversold and it retraced back. So now this is where I like my entry to be, at this level. So now you can see the market retraced back and came here, retested this level and turned into resistance and broke this counter trend line. You can see this is the perfect way of entry. It retested this level and broke down to the downside. So now what can you see, guys? I just like to be realistic. So it broke to the downside. What happened again? We have a massive sell-off to the downside. Then it came again to this old support level and continue moving up the way, upward, 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 upward. It just so straight upward and came again, came to this level. What do you see? It broke again, broke this trend line. This is an uptrend and retested it. What again do you see? All the way to the downside. If you just know the market movement, I think you are good to go. So now what happened again? When the market has sold off here again, all the people have taken their profit here and some people have taken loss. Those that will think that this level will be a place of, when there's this white candle, some people, bro, if it's not because of the top down, do you know I could have been buying at this level? You see this level? You see this level? All this thing I will be thinking that is a good way to move to the upside, but you don't even know the market direction. You don't even know where the market is heading. You don't know whether it's heading down or it's heading up. But when you have the top-down analysis, you can predict from head to toe. It doesn't matter whether you're a scalper or a day trader, whatever, you can use any strategy to trade. Just know the direction of the market first before you start looking for any strategy that you use in the market. So now what do you see, guys, again? This market came to this support level. As you see in the past, what has been happening in the past has been repeating itself. So you can see this level came here. This was the former support level, another support level, another support level. What came again here? You can see this level was all resistance. Look at what happened at this level when it came to this level. This level came here, tested this level, went back, tested and went back. So we were expecting a break above, but you can see this level continue testing. So this level now has become, should I say, weak? It has become weak. So it happened to break to the upside at this level. So now when it came to here, sorry, pardon my English, I'm just excited because USDCAD is not even stressing me, it's just straightforward. So when it came to this level, what do we start looking for? When I come to the major level, what I was looking for to see a chart pattern. So what can you guys see? This is a double top chart pattern. This is the first, and this is just, don't look at this stupid candle that is just looking like it. I don't know whether I want to shoot above or want to go to heaven, and they drag him down here. So now you can see this is a double top. It came to this level. What happened again? It broke above. So you draw a neckline. Here. Look for trading opportunities, and we're headed all the way to the downside. So this is a reversal pattern, as you can see. So now you can see what is happening currently now in USDCAD. This is a massive sell-off. So now this is the level that I was talking about. When this market came to this level, you can see a tiny retracement that it made. It came here and I wasn't so interested, so it came here and dropped to the downside, but I think I took some profit here a little bit. But it is still good. So what I'm expecting now is for this market to come back to this level. I want it to retest this former resistance zone, this blue zone. I want it to retest it.
But if there are high possibilities that it will not retest it, but I want it to come here and retest this trend line or retest this level before we could be headed down to the downside. And when it retest it, guys, all idea is should be to the downside. Let me calculate how many pips we should be making if this market is headed to the downside. For those that are trading position trade, let's calculate it. Whoa, 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 whoa! Wow, I said it. This is up to like 1,000 and 1,700 pips. So the next level target for this level, I think, if this market is to if this market is to drop to the downside, so the next level target should be 1,200, 1,002. I think 1.2, 1.200. All right. This is because I think USD card moves in round numbers. It loves round numbers. All right. It loves moving in round numbers. So the next level target will be this 1,002. So we'll be expecting a massive drop to the downside, 1,002 if possible. So you guys know the vibe. So if you notice here, this market has been trading all the way to the upside. This is where a lot of trading. I will also be breaking down all these things and show you how all these things have been happening. So you can see this market has been trading all the way from 2021 July. 2021 July it has been uptrending. 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. 2025 is the last place that is breaking to the downside. I think this market will continue selling off to 2026 if possible, but we don't know yet. Let's keep believing and keep hoping that this market will finally move to the downside. So guys, this is the end of the video, and I hope that you have learned something a little bit. So just all you need is just top down analysis. If you want to learn more, watch my videos, or you can join my Telegram channel. I'm going to show you how I do all these stuffs, and let's keep on pushing. Peace out.